Hello everyone, so today me and my friend will be presenting to you the question number 7. An organic compound X which contains only carbon, hydrogen and oxygen has a molar mass of 85 gram per mole. When 0.5 gram of X burned in excess oxygen, 1.50 gram of carbon dioxide and 0.5 gram of water are formed. Determine the empirical and molecular formula of X. So we need to find the empirical and molecular formula of X. So there are 4 steps for you to follow to get the empirical and molecular formula of X. So for the first step, we need to make a balanced equation from the question. So we know that this equation gives us a process which is burn in excess oxygen and carbon dioxide and water are formed. So we need to make an equation where X plus oxygen equal to carbon dioxide plus water. And you can also put the information such as mass so you can easily see what is going on here. So for the next step, we need to find the mass of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. But how do we find the mass of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen? So we know that the question gave us a mass of carbon dioxide and mass of water. So we need to find the mole of carbon from carbon dioxide. So we know that mass of carbon is 1.10 gram and divided with the molar mass of carbon dioxide. So we get 0.025 mole. But we need it in gram, in mass. So we need to times with the molar mass of carbon and we get 0.3 gram. So for the mass of H, it's also the same. So we use the mass of water, 0.45 gram, and divided it with the molar mass of water. So we get 0.025 mole, and then we convert it to mass, which we need to times the molar mass of hydrogen, and we get 0.05 gram. So now we already found the mass of carbon and the mass of hydrogen. So now we need to find the mass of oxygen. How do we find the mass of oxygen? It's very easy. Just subtract the mass of X, mass of carbon, mass of hydrogen, and we get the mass of oxygen, which is 0.08 gram. So for the third and the last step, it will be continued by my friends, Stephen. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Stephen Wong and I'm going to continue step 3 and step 4. Okay, for step 3 is we gonna find empirical formula. The given mass for carbon is 0.3 and the given mass for hydrogen is 0.05 and the given mass for oxygen is 0.08. Okay, next we're gonna find the number of mole for carbon, which is we gonna get here 0.3 over 12, and the answer is 0.025. Okay, next we're gonna find the number of mole for hydrogen, which is 0.05 over 1, and the answer is still 0.05. Next, we're gonna find the number of mole for oxygen, which is 0.08 over 16. Okay, and we get the answer is 5 times 10 to the power of negative 3. Okay, after that, we're gonna divide all of the number of mole with 5 times 0 of 3, because this is the lowest ratio we get. So we will get the answer is for carbon is 5, and for hydrogen we got 10, and for oxygen we got 1. So the answer is C5H10O. Okay, for next step, which is step 4, we're gonna find molecular formula. And molecular formula is mass over molar mass. And we got 85 over 12 times 5 plus 1 times 10 plus 16. And the answer we will get 1. So, our molecular mass answer is C5H10O. That's all from us. Thank you.